The new and improved Hidden Oaks Nature Center in Bolingbrook has reopened, and we're excited to welcome you back. After an extensive renovation, there are even more opportunities to learn about the natural world both inside and outside. You're sure to leave smarter than when you arrived. Spend some time with our resident turtles. Let the kids show off their crafty side. Check out all the nooks and crannies. Explore the outdoor adventure area and let those little legs burn off some energy. The Nature Center is for you, supported by your tax dollars, so take advantage of everything it has to offer. Map your next adventure at reconnectwithnature.org.